Hey guys, welcome back, and now I'll be explaining breadth first search queues and iteration using Minecraft, everybody's favorite game. Yeah. So how does BFS work? L- just look before we actually move into the mechanics of it. Just have a look at how the lava spreads. Let's have a look at it again, shall we? Let's have a look at it a third time. Do you guys notice how it spreads in layers rather than spreading in one direction first and then coming back? So it's moving in layers. For example, the lava starts out at this middle block, and then it moves to this, and this block, one at a time. So four surrounding blocks around this block. So this block was the first in the queue, and then the blocks around it get processed. So the lava spreads to those blocks, and then let's say this block is next in the queue. So the blocks around this one get processed next. So here, right? Let's just mark our second part with our second layer blocks with torches. So this one already got processed, so that's fine. This one hasn't been processed yet. So what's around it? This is already covered. This is this one is covered. This is left, so we put a block there. This is left, so we put a block there. And now we have processed this block as well. Now we again process our third block, which is this one. If you can see, I'm tapping on it. So what are the blocks around it? This block is around it, but that has lava is already covered that. This block is around it, but there's nothing covering that, so we just put a block there. This block is around it, this one, so we place a block there as well. Now we have processed our block that I'm tapping on. Now finally our fourth block. Now this gets processed. Now what are the blocks around it? This block is around it, but there's already a block there. This block is around it, there's a block there. This block is around it, so the lava won't spread here either. However, here, whoa, there a block does not exist, so the lava spreads there. So I'm using block and lava interchangeably, but you probably get the idea on how the spread works. It spreads in layers. So these, whoa, okay, too much lava. Let's just have a look at this again. It spreads to these four blocks first, and then after these four blocks, then it spreads to, let's see if I can get the shape right. Yeah, I can. It spreads to these blocks after that, and then it keeps spreading further. So in the queue, first the origin block gets processed, then the surrounding blocks around it get processed, and then the other surrounding blocks around it get processed with the first in first out principle. That means the block that is in the front of the queue gets processed before the block in the back of the queue, if that makes sense. And yeah, that's how BFS and iteration work in breadth first search. The iteration part is each block getting processed one at a time in the queue, whereas in the recursion it keeps on calling in its on its the function on itself, and it takes a lot of time to process things because it first processes till a dead end, till the base case or a dead end in the cave example that I had given, and then it checks back each command, and it keeps returning till it comes back to its first case, and then it finally kills that as well after returning that. So I hope these videos made some sense, and I hope you can relate to Minecraft. If you are a Minecraft player and you're doing 4.3, you must have understood most of how this works, and you could draw parallels to the Minecraft explanation that I've given. Thank you for watching, guys.